Yo, what's up guys? So I know it's been a long time coming and a lot of you have been asking this for a while, but today we're finally gonna go install the rims. I've been pushing it off because of the bad weather, the salt, the snow, everything. I don't want to ruin the brand new wheels, and the tires aren't really the best for winter and cold season, so I decided why not wait till it gets a little bit warmer out and then go ahead and install them. So first thing I gotta do is I gotta go pick them up. They're actually sitting in my brother's house. They've been sitting there for I think the last 6 months since I bought them, and they've just been sitting there collecting dust. So one, I gotta go pick them up, then I'll take them over to the tire shop. Hopefully everything fits in my car alone, otherwise he might have to come help me. Hopefully he has some free time, but I want to get them done today and I want to get them installed today, and then I have a few other plans for this weekend. On the weekend I'm actually starting the garage build, so hopefully next week's video is going to be the garage build, or the start of the garage build, prepping the garage for anything that it needs, maybe start painting and stuff like that. So stay tuned and let's get on with the video. The weather out here is absolutely amazing, and I just realized that I haven't given you guys a cold start, or a proper cold start at least. So let me actually start the car up. And as you can tell, I finally got the car cleaned. It's been a long time coming for that as well. I haven't washed this car in months, but hold on. A cold start never hurt nobody, except my neighbors. They probably hate me, but it's okay because it sounds beautiful. Shithead. Got one tire back here. We got 4 of the rims sitting back here. They're all a little bit dirty because they were sitting in the garage for the last 6 months. And then 1 tire right here. That's my passenger for the day. I can't see anything at that rear view mirror, not the rear view, the side view mirror. I can't see anything out that side view mirror, but hopefully we get there safe. So little update, I went to the first tire shop and they were ready to take the car in, do all the work on it and everything, but then when I told them I want to switch over the TPMS sensors, the guy just like, no, I'm not doing it, I can't do it. And I was just like, why? He was like, honestly, I'm scared, I think I'm gonna break it, and I'm the only one working today, so I can't even ask the other guy who usually works here for help. So he said you can come back tomorrow, but I'm not really willing to wait till tomorrow, and I want to get it done today. So I'm gonna head over to another shop. Hopefully my chances there are a little bit better, and hopefully they can actually switch over the TPMS sensors. If not, then I guess I'm gonna have a light on my dash after this, because like I said, I want to get it done today. So this is very typical for me, but I can't have any worse luck than today. I thought it was going to be a simple, take your wheels to the shop, get your rims installed, and you're good to go. But now I'm sitting here at Harbor Freight. I got to the tire shop and they were like, hey, where's your lock keys for your lug nuts? And I'm just like, oh, let me check. I probably have somewhere in my car. Couldn't find them in my car. So then I went to the Dodge dealership, which is right around the corner, and they were just like, no, we won't sell it to you. You're going to have to order it online with a little piece of paper that's going to be in your car. I look in my car, there's no piece of paper. I go back inside, I'm just like, hey, there's no piece of paper. What do I do now? They were just like, if you can't find the piece of paper, you can't buy one. So maybe head up to the service department. Maybe they'll help you out. So far, I've been to Pep Boys, AutoZone, Harbor Freight, everywhere, and nothing, no luck at all. I've even went to like 3 separate shops. So this is kind of my last hoorah. Otherwise, I'm gonna give up for the day and then try to order one online and see if I can get it by next week or something. I seriously can't catch a break though. I left the house at like 2 p.m. I think today, and now it's coming up on 6 o'clock. I think it's like 5:30, and I'm still out here trying to look for this key to get these lugs off my wheels that I can't find. It's like, I don't know why they made it so damn hard to find them. So I got it off this one. These are all the regular lugs. I got it off that side, I got it off that side, but on this side, see how it's all janked up? I took it to some random mechanic shop and they were like, oh yeah, we can get off, and he just hammers a random key on there, tries spinning it, notices it won't work, and then he goes, oh, my bad. So then when that salesman actually found me the right key and it worked on the rest of them, it didn't work on this one. So now for this one, I gotta take it back to the dealership. Maybe, hopefully Greg is at the dealership tomorrow. Now, I am debating if I really want to show you guys the wheels on the car, because me and my boy Yusuf were talking, and he's a great photographer, videographer, and we came up with the idea of why not make like a cool cinematic reveal video for the Charger and the new wheels. So this is the last time the car is going to look like this, at least hopefully. And come tomorrow time, the new wheels be on there. They're a little meatier. They're 305s in the back, same size in the front. So I'm gonna keep the wheel spacers on. I gotta take the wheel spacers off the back and put the new wheels on. So finally here at the shop, they got my rim sitting inside somewhere over there, but I'm gonna jack it up and start putting on the new wheels. So one downside is now I'm missing my 5th lug on all 4 wheels, so now I gotta order a new set. I don't know if I want to order another lock set or just a regular set, but might even have to switch these out to something nicer, maybe red, like with the rest of the accents on the car. Bro, I need to clean up these Brembos. They are so dirty. Look at that. I need to take these off too, but I'm scared to ask the guy because I've been a pain in the ass. So I can't catch a break, and the guy was putting on my wheels and he noticed that the lug nuts don't fit. So I had to run to AutoZone and grab some new lug nuts. So this is how the wheel is looking right now. Looks absolutely amazing, to be honest. And these are the lug nuts that I got, black. The aesthetic a lot nicer. And then this is, so it kind of works as like a lock key set, since a lot of people won't have this exact lug nut set, and the black will look nice rather than the gray. But I got it sitting here, took the spacer off just because I think the wheel by itself is going to be big enough. So let's see how it looks. So got the spacer and the wheel off both sides and on. So now just gotta wait till we put it on. We still got the fronts to do. I am super excited. We're finally on the home stretch. This has been taking way too long. A lot of hiccups that I didn't expect would happen happened. But now at this point, I'm just ready to put them on, and then I'll show you guys. Actually, I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys. You might have to wait till the next video, to be honest. But imagine, put some lowering springs in here, some coilovers. Whew. Get this thing a little slammed. That'd be tough. But that's a lot of work, to be honest. I don't know if I'm about that, doing it myself at least. It looks so good, but I don't think you guys should see it just yet. Yeah, we're going for overland build, boys. Look how high this thing is right now. Oh, this is about to look so good when it's done. Now imagine if we were the first ones to ever do a lifted Charger. Has anyone done that? Yo, I'm sure there has. There's people running like 25s and 26s on these. So look at this. This needs to go. And I'm not sure if this is because the other side of the car is still lifted, but that's way too much. I can fit a whole fist in here. That's not okay. So I just noticed this, but we actually have actual air ducts that work. I did not know this before. I never thought to look back here. It actually comes through here, cools down the brakes, I'm guessing, cools down everything in this area. That's actually cool. So I just got home. My contacts were absolutely killing me, so I had to switch over to my glasses. I think I'm having some allergies, even though I usually don't. The car looks absolutely amazing. Like, it looks better than I expected, and you guys honestly need to see how good this looks. Video doesn't do it justice, but I got some meaty tires. So before I was running 245, and then those are 305s, and then they're Toyo Proxys STs. Only downside, the car looks like it's a little bit higher from the back. Not really though. Ooh, see, I almost showed you guys just a little bit of the rims, but as I was talking about earlier, the wheel gap went down to 2 fingers rather than a fistful. I think it was because one side was lifted up a little bit. The front is still running the same poke as it did with the spacers, but now it just looks nicer because of the concave rims. But overall, the car looks amazing. I don't want to show you guys too much of the wheel just yet.
There's hella cops on this road.
Yeah, always.
You gonna stick to my truck? 6.2 liter, 10,000 pounds. Yeah, we're not gonna do this. This is too much, champ.
Good luck, guys. I don't think she's on the red light.